How to find the best Asus discount codes. Now, before you go ahead and visit Asos official website and purchase your favorite product directly from their website, is I can help you out stretch down the actual price for you to be able to take advantage with the codes. Now, my always go-to website is going to be couponchief.com. And once you're here, just simply find the search box and type in Asus. Now click on this result right here that says save 50%. And then as you can see, there are plenty of codes or discount that you can use. So say for example, you would like to get this 50% off, that's going to be site-wide order. Just simply click on get promo code and then just simply paste it on your checkout page from Asus. So that's how you find the best Asus discount codes.